Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. I was supposed to go back to work today, but things didn't quite work out like that. Because I ended up getting paperwork that needs to be filled out before I can go back. And it just, yeah. So I'm like, whatever. I guess that's what it is. So I go back next Monday, the 8th, and I get training and everything. So I'm excited. I'm ready to get back at it. My hours are 7:30 to 2. Because I work my lunch. I work to my lunch hours, so I still have a 7-hour day. That's how they did it. So, well, it's still better than 9 to 2. I don't know, I'm just happy I have less responsibility, less issues. It won't be so stressful for me. I mean, I can only do what I can. So yeah, I'm doing the best I can. So I'll still get 40-hour weeks. I don't know. It is what it is. Oh, I was going super fast. Whoops. Luckily I didn't get pulled over. But yeah, so I was going 40 to 35. Oops. It's easy to do on that stretch. But so I'm heading to therapy now. She was able to get me in today so we could get the paperwork filled out. And I can talk to her then. And then, yeah. I get so close, and then everything, well, I mean, it was gonna happen that way because I talked to them we had the telemeeting on a Friday, and then it turned out they didn't send it. The stuff was supposed to get sent out on Monday, and I was supposed to get it last week, which I didn't get it till Saturday, which it needed to be done in order for me to go back to work today, so it just delayed everything. That's what happened. Now this is it. This is finally it. This is my gateway to getting back. So I leave about 7:30 in the morning, a little before that, which is fine. I mean, but anyways, this medication I'm on, I sent the doctor's office a message. This medication I'm on is just horrid right now. I don't know what it's doing to me. It just makes, like, even now driving, I just feel like I'm in La La Land. Like, bleh. Like, I just feel gloomy. Just feel out of it. Just like I'm in a... like I'm not here. And I've been having panic attacks, and anxiety panic attacks a lot more lately. I've been, just off. And like I said, my whole body's been hurting. So I think between the two medications, they're not right for me. I just feel lousy. Just lousy. And I hate it. I'm probably super early. I am. Wow. Oh well. We're supposed to get rain tonight. I might have a wood fire tonight. Just kind of craving fire. Then we have the game on Friday. So I'm very excited. Those bins are still there. I don't know what's in them. But it's scary. Oh well. Like, I'm having a hard time driving, like remembering that I gotta turn on my sync when I turn, and where the hell am I? And I feel just out of it. Just don't feel right. I don't feel normal. I've been having these thoughts again. I gotta talk to Wendy about that. These thoughts of just overwhelming fear and stupid. Just stupid. That's what's happening to me. I don't know. I'm here now. Hoping it's a good session. So I will talk to y'all later. Good Wednesday morning, y'all. It is Wednesday, September 3rd, 2025. It is a gusty, cool, rainy, cozy day today. I'm okay with a rainy day like this. I'm just gonna chill for the day. There ain't nothing else to really do. I mean, it is dark today. It's a dark, cozy fall day. We got the new window put in yesterday, but it needs some framing done to it, which trim and the framing, but that's going to get done here momentarily. But the window was the main thing to get in, and then it started pouring, like maybe a half an hour after it was all complete. It started to pour and rain last night. I was like, oof. You dodged that bullet in time. But yeah, it's an icky-ish day today. I want to open the windows in here a little bit. Speaking of windows. It's nice having two windows in here. Well, I have three windows now. The breeze is coming through that window. So like I said, there's always a breeze that comes this way. So the window right here was like a perfect idea. Rarely you'll get it through that window. But Yeah. It's supposed to get really bad today. We're supposed to get a lake effect storm for the next 3 days. Starting this afternoon, all day Thursday, and then ending Friday afternoon. Hopefully in time for the football game. Because I want to sit by the fire and listen to it. If not, we can always put the solo stove on the back porch here. Well, not on the porch, but on that part of the porch, and sit by that fire if push comes to shove. But yeah, projects are getting done around here, slowly but surely. Now the next thing that has to be done out here is the wainscoting on the wall. I don't know. Then the more I think about it, like, is it really gonna work? So we gotta. I don't think it's gonna be done this year. It may not even be done. I don't know. Somebody's coming here at 11 or 11:30 this morning to pick up some stuff on Marketplace that I had sold, and then yeah. And then that's about it. I'm gonna deep clean this shed today because everything is full of dust. I mean, everything is full of dust. So I have to clean everything. Which is okay, because then I'm gonna go through things, organize things, get those boxes put down here for the bug zappers and whatnot. Because Aaron is coming on the 20th to put the deck furniture away and put everything away for the season. So it's gonna be a busy next couple of weekends. Well, next week I would have had to leave on the 12th to go down to Wisconsin for Zach's wedding, but I told him I can't. I said, we're starting this new position. I said I can't get a day off. Plus, I have a medical appointment on the 19th, so I already have the 19th off. Well, I took it off because it's a medical appointment for my mental health. So, I mean, like the therapist said, they have to deal with it because it's for mental health. If they have an objection to it, I can complain. So I'll file another grievance if I have to. I'm not, I'm not afraid anymore. Well, like I've been saying, I've been feeling very icky lately. Like as the day goes on, I start getting worse and worse. And I think it's the medication. Now, just that little bit of walking around I did this morning, I'm already aching. I was aching last night. I couldn't sleep. I was aching. My legs hurt. And I was like, when is this hell going to end? Like I told the therapist yesterday, I'm going to go crazy. I said, there's no relief. Tylenol doesn't touch it. Ibuprofen doesn't touch it. And there's certain things I can't take with. I'm like, I'm going to scream. I said, I'm going to go crazy. So I had messaged the doctor's office on my portal. And I said, things are getting pretty bad. So they were able to get me in on the 19th. Which sucks because that's like 2 weeks away. But they did say if it gets worse to go to urgent care. And they would assist me from there. So, if it gets worse. I said, as of now, I'm just dealing with it. It sucks. It's definitely been rough. But whatever. yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens when it happens. But yeah, so we got the window put in. That was like the big thing that needed to be done today, was getting that window put in, or yesterday. Got the grass cut just in time. I'm hoping for a few sunny days next week. I mean, I might get some time this weekend, maybe Saturday, to put all this stuff, like the gardening stuff, away in that bin, because I don't need it no more. I don't grab nothing out of there, and I'll just leave the tarps. I don't even know. I'm almost to the point now where just let the garden go. But I want to protect the eggplant. But something ate my peas. My beans, I don't know if I'm going to get any. It's so late in the year now where things started to grow that it just... So I have to start the beans very early next year inside. And then I'm also going to have to start the peas inside. I don't know. It's annoying. But we'll figure it out. I just want it to be cozy. So I think I'm going to start this shit this morning, like right away this morning. And then I'm going to start the cleaning up the shed this morning. And then I'm going to relax for the afternoon and catch up on YouTube, cozy up, and enjoy the weather. I mean, what else am I going to do? I just want to relax before next week. I'm just so tired. Like, I'm going to have struggle trying to get this shed done just because I feel so shitty. But it is what it is. It'll get done, and I will do the best I can. So I'm going to put everything out on the porch. But I might have to grab a tarp because I'm going to have to move the chairs out. So I might have to cover them up in a tarp or just take the cushions off and call it a day. We got those chairs this spring. And they've been there. They've been wonderful all summer. We've used them around the fire. They sit up here on the porch. I mean, they're nice chairs. We got all 4 of them for the price of 1 chair. Because Tractor Supply was just going to get rid of them because nobody would buy them. Like, who the hell would not buy those chairs? They're nice. But, whatever. So, yeah. I am going to start... I'm going to go get my coffee, eat something, and then come out here and begin. So I will check in with you all tomorrow. Or not tomorrow. Later today. See you then.
Yeah.
got finished preparing the spaghetti. I have the garlic bread in the toaster oven, and I'm out here cooking the frozen veggies. I'm doing a steamable potato and something frozen veggies. So I figured I'd come out in the shed and make it because I had to bring some stuff in the house anyways. So yeah. The shed looks different. Let's take a peek. So we've done some changes in here. Not much, but enough. Like all this stuff used to be right where this window is. So we're getting trim around the window. And then my friend Derek came here and moved the fridge over there in the corner. It used to be right here. You can tell where it was. And then the microwave is there. The door is there. And everything's pretty much the same over here. That's about the only corner that changed. But it's roomier in here now. I don't know. It just feels like there's more space. I don't know. But yeah. So it's a very cold evening. I can't wait to get in the hot shower and cozy up in my heated blanket. I'm cold. I have soup out here. I should make some soup today. Tomorrow. That's what I should probably do. I have this soup here. It is, I don't know, I got it in the spring. It's vegetable, beef, and barley soup. It's in a bag, so we'll see what happens with that ordeal. But yeah. So everything is kind of, moving along in this house. I love my picture. See, I made them kind of nice. I put the clock over there. It just seemed like the only place. I might switch it around. I might put it where that picture is and put that picture where the clock is. I might do that right now, actually. Because it's bothering me. I don't know. I kind of like it. It's fine. I'm just being too picky. But yeah. So, that's what's happening. The shed's really nice. I kind of like how I kind of like how everything is. It fits. It works. It does the job. So I'm excited, and I can't wait to get the window trimmed out. Then I gotta paint it, and then it's good to go. The shed's cold. I may have to break out the electric heater in here tonight. Which the outlet now is open over there for that still. I have to check this. I don't know. Well, I might as well just let it go. But yeah, so things are nice in here. You can definitely tell, like my friend Derek said, that this floor is very off level. He said the floor is not very level. He's like, it just kind of goes wavy. He's like, the shed must have settled. Well, then I was kind of telling him, because he does like HVAC kind of stuff, I'm assuming. Like furnaces and stuff like that. I told him, I said, well, do you think I should get a new refrigerator? Because I said, this one's pretty old. I mean, it's old. I mean, it still works. Wonderful. But it's old. And he said, no. He said, keep it as long as you can. He said, and if you're able to get it serviced, he said, get it serviced. Because he said they don't make them like they used to anymore. He said they do not make them like they used to anymore. He said, so keep this as long as you can, because he said, they're just junk from here. like, I know. He's like, I work on them every day. He's like, they're junk. He's like, they won't last long. I said, yeah. I said, I didn't think so. But yeah. I like to air out this microwave before I close it, just because I don't want it to rust. So yeah, this is what I got. Steamable bird's eye, garlic parmesan, roasted potatoes, and vegetables. So yeah. So that's what's happening there. It's weird having a window in here. But so I'm gonna go in, eat some dinner, and then probably load the dishwasher and then calm down for the night. So I will catch you after dinner. Hi y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So I am showered, clean, I took my pill. Now I'm just kind of laying in bed here, enjoying my fireplace ambiance. And then I have my heated blanket turned on, nice and warm and cozy. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. It's raining again. It's very cold, rainy. So I think I'm gonna log off for the day, for the night, and I will see y'all tomorrow.